We're watching a few showers in the Atlanta metro area to kick off our evening. It's been raining over in Cobb County for a while. These showers are making their way into the Roswell area. Over here in Athens, we've stayed clear, and since these storms are fizzling out as they make their way east, we're going to be staying clear as we head into the overnight hours. We'll hit a low of 52 degrees before we see even more clear skies tomorrow afternoon, hitting a high around 78. Now, while we are expecting beautiful weather tomorrow, we can't exactly say the same for the weekend. This will all start on Saturday morning in far northwest Georgia. We're expecting to see a line of thunderstorms move in, and we can't rule out the chance for some of these thunderstorms to be severe. That does include the chance for isolated damaging wind gusts and hail. However, a much more widespread severe weather event will occur on Saturday night into Sunday morning. Far west Georgia, Atlanta, Athens, you are under a level 3 out of 5 risk for severe weather. That does include the chance for significant tornadoes, meaning EF2 or stronger. We're also watching the chance for damaging wind gusts anywhere from 30 to 50 miles per hour at times, and the chance for hail. Then further south and east, Augusta, Dublin, you are under a level 2 out of 5 risk. We cannot rule out the chance for a tornado in your area, along with continuing damaging wind gusts and hail. Then even further south and east, that's going to be Statesboro, Savannah, Brunswick, you are under a level 1 out of 5 risk. However, this is just for Saturday night. As we head further into Sunday afternoon, we are expecting that risk to increase again for Savannah, Statesboro, Brunswick, as these storms gain more energy and are able to re-strengthen through Sunday afternoon. We can take a look at what all of this will look like on our radar. This is Friday evening. There's nothing really to look at. We're enjoying a beautiful end to our work week. However, a few cells do start to pop up around 3 a.m. on Saturday. These will make their way into northwest Georgia as we hit sunrise on Saturday morning, which means Rome, Dalton, Canton, you're going to wake up to the sound of thunder. Now, these storms will roll out around mid-morning, and we really have nothing to look at on our radar by Saturday afternoon. But this is not good news. This is actually going to allow our atmosphere to heat up. It's going to increase our instability throughout the day, which means by the time our main round of storms moves in on Saturday night, the chance for severe weather will be greater. We can take a look at what this main round of storms will look like. Again, northwest Georgia, you're getting the rain first. It will be Rome, Dalton, Canton around 10 p.m. Those will continue past midnight, and then Atlanta, Athens, you're going to start to see the worst of the storms around 3 a.m. Continuing further south and east as we make our way through sunrise and mid-morning on Sunday. Now, what can you do? Well, the thing to do is to prepare early. You're going to want to make sure you have a reliable way to receive warnings to this event. It is going to be overnight, so you're going to want to make sure your way of receiving alerts is loud. That can be anything from a NOAA weather radio to your cell phone. You're going to want to make sure you have your wireless emergency alerts turned on. Also, make sure you know what your severe weather plan is. Where are you going to take shelter in the event a tornado warning is issued? The safest place to be is the lowest level of your home in an interior room with no exterior walls or windows. Also, make sure you understand the terminology that we're using. What's a tornado watch? What's a tornado warning? Well, a watch means that the environment is favorable for the development of a tornado, while a warning means that a tornado has been spotted or radar indicated in your area and you need to take immediate action. Now, while we are expecting a bit of a messy weekend, the good news is the weather gets nice again as we begin the work week. Monday is St. Patrick's Day, will be a bit cooler but then we're making a return to the 70s on Tuesday and Wednesday before seeing our next chance for rain roll in for the first day of spring on Thursday. Make sure you stay tuned with the weather dogs through the weekend, especially overnight on Saturday, as we bring you all the latest of what you can expect for the severe weather threat. I'm student meteorologist Margaret Needham. Go Dogs!